Hello, this is the third recording related to the sensors and peripherals and Arduino. In this experiment, we deal with the temperature sensor, the DHT11, and a relay which controls an outlet to which probably we connect a load. Theoretically, the program was supposed to be written such that when the temperature exceeds 25 degrees centigrade, then the relay will activate the power to the outlet, to which we connect a fan, and the fan will turn on, trying to decrease the temperature to a level less than or equal to 25 degrees. So as you see here, we include the library for the DHT11, so we can use its instruction set to have access to the temperature. So first we deal with the serial monitor to be able to read some of the characteristics. We also have an output. That means in this case I am interested also in the in turning on an LED when the outlet is enabled. We read the temperature from this in this case the input is 8 for digital pin 8 for reading the temperature, and 7 where the LED is supposed to be connected. So as you see here, we read the temperature, the humidity, and the status of the pinout, meaning that is 0 when the outlet is not enabled, and therefore when enabled it will change. So we see here that if the temperature is less than or equal to 25 degrees, then the LED would be off, and we write the status of the pinout as low, as 0. And in the case where it is greater than, strictly greater than 25 degrees, then the status will read high or 1, right? And then it will just go on and on. So when it comes to the experiment itself, I have a heat gun, and I'm going to use it to heat up the temperature sensor as if the ambient temperature had increased. And then we will see that in this case I have a outlet tester which is supposed to be equivalent to a fan that is turned on when it turns on, of course. As far as the students are concerned, the LED will be good enough as far as a test, but I'm hoping to make this setup available for testing purposes. I'm hoping also to find maybe a fan that is connected to, that works on 110 and connected to the outlet. The only difference is that they just have to add or remove the wire to the LED and connect the signal wire to the relay to it. And of course, in this case, they have to change the program so that the pinout would be also 7 for the relay, right? So in this case, or we can just find another pin to turn it high, right? In case that is different. Well, in this case, pinout is 7, and therefore it's true for the LED and the relay, right? Like you see in this case, you see that the same pinout is used for both the LED and the relay, right? So there's nothing to change then at all. So let's see here what happens when I heat up the temperature sensor. I'm going to put it on low because it's a powerful heat gun. I'm going to stop it here because it's going to heat up very fast. It has a reading that is a little bit delayed. As you see here, now it jumped to 29 degrees. 34 degrees for that matter. And as you see here, the tester had turned on, the LED is on, which means the temperature has gone over 25 degrees. And of course, in this case, the fan will have to be turned on to cool the temperature more or less. Obviously, 43 degrees is going to take forever for the temperature to come down to less than 25 degrees. So unfortunately, I don't have a fan here to make it happen faster. But as you see here, the status of the pinout is 1 when it is turned on, when the relay is activated, and 0 when it's not. So see what you can do with this setup to do other things, right? This is just one simple application that is possible.